Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at investment markets. A nervous end to the week for share markets as further weakness and concerns over growth in the Eurozone started to impact global markets. US markets fell pretty hard on Friday and Saturday in New Zealand time, and that sort of overshadowed the earnings reports that are coming through. Eurozone under further pressure as S&P put France on a negative watch. That just adds to the issues there, and the European Central Bank are trying to do everything they can, but they really need a little bit of help from the governments as well. And really, it's about time the European government sort of sat down and started to actually take some action, rather than just sitting around talking about things and having meeting after meeting, which doesn't really accomplish too much. If you look at it, Europe is maybe sort of 18 months or 2 years behind where the US are. The US took a little bit of pain, but they were pretty decisive in their action, and that has really proved beneficial in the long run. And really, Europe needs to follow the US lead. As I said, it is earnings season in the US, and it'll just be interesting to see how this sort of pans out. Certainly there is a bit of weakness out there, but most sort of analysts and economists are viewing this little bit of nervousness and weakness out there as a good opportunity to buy, because certainly sort of 6 to 9 months down the road, the US still looks in pretty good shape. Here in New Zealand, it's Money Week this week, and that's a good opportunity to sort of review that portfolio and just make sure you are positioned for the next sort of 12 to 18 months going forward. If you look at it, interest rates are on hold at the moment, but certainly going into next year, interest rates will look to rise a little bit further. Equity markets still look in reasonable shape. Earnings in New Zealand and growth in New Zealand is still reasonable, and I say it's a very good opportunity to just review that portfolio. Call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. There is that Goodman Fielder bond that's having the early repayment. A lot of corporates here in New Zealand take the opportunity to be able to refinance their debt at much more preferential rates for them. Obviously, for the corporates, it's good. For the investor, it's not quite as good because these bonds are being either repaid or sort of reset or reissued at substantially lower rates. So to sum up, it's a Money Week here in New Zealand, and good opportunity to get those portfolios reviewed. Call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. We look forward to speaking to you soon.